Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some more cleaning motivation and we're going to start in the morning, which is why I shared my breakfast. Lots of dirty dishes, as always. And I have most of this video kind of sped up, but I just wanted to share some cleaning motivation and get up and do something and get it all done. Just washing breakfast dishes, probably a couple from the night before if I'm being honest. As long as you get up and do it, that's what matters. What do you guys think about and do when you do dishes? A lot of times when I do dishes, I will thank the Lord for all that He has done, all His many blessings. Sometimes I think about something my Papa Rufus told me, that if you don't scrub your dishes good enough or rinse them good enough, you will get scabies. And that has always been a thought in the back of my mind. Hearing my papa say that. So I feel like a lot of times I will over scrub the dishes because I'm constantly thinking about that. It's been really hot here too. Super duper hot in Kentucky. And humid. It has been extremely hard lately to get motivated, if I'm being completely honest. We have been spending most of our days outside. We got carpool, so we have been outside at that pool every single day, twice a day, which equals to about all day, like I said. Just enjoying summer break. So what have you guys been doing? Doing anything new? Or probably the same thing if you have children and are a stay-at-home mom. Cook, clean, take care of kids and husbands and lots of activities with the children, right? So after I get all these dishes rinsed, we go outside. Scrub, 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 and rinse, rinse, rinse. I feel like my hands are always constantly in water. I also have a bunch of request videos coming out soon that I can't wait to share with you guys because we requested them. And now that the dishes are finally done, I'm going to clean the stovetop with my favorite spick and span cleaner. So I'll clean the stovetop up and the counters and continue on down that cleaning path. Trying to get motivated. Seems like lately I have zero motivation or willpower. I've just been tired. I'm tired right now. And lots of trash. I feel like some people probably wouldn't show this, and I debated on it, but I was like, you know what, this is real life. Lots of trash. Overflowing trash sometimes. Took it outside, sharing some of my plants with you guys. I am growing potatoes in that bucket. This is my orchid of almost 13 years. It's absolutely stunning, really beautiful. And my knockout rose, which a lot of the flowers fell off of. We had some bad storms. The purple plant, I have no idea what its name is, but it's gorgeous. And I have a popcorn rose. I also have a climbing yellow rose. While we were out there, there's a rabbit in the yard, which is not uncommon. There's lots of rabbits in the yard usually. And my kitty, Kit Kat, she had babies. She had little kitties. She had 3. 2 survived. The one that didn't survive was a really cute little orange one, but look at these cute little black and white one. And she's such a good mommy, and I had to share the babies with you guys. They, technically, when I'm filming this voiceover right now, they're 15 days old. And look how adorable they are. I love them so much. So I come in, lit my cake batter candle, and sharing my little gnomes. Now moving on to the bathroom. I haven't shared bathroom cleaning motivation. So some Clorox disinfecting wipes, daily shower cleaner, and the Lime Away. So we'll quickly give the bathroom a deep clean and scrub the toilet, disinfect the toilet, and move on to the tub soon. And a lot of the bathroom parts, at least a couple of them, didn't focus. I'm not sure why. I guess maybe my hand was moving so fast and I was trying to focus but it couldn't. So scrub all that up, and that's LA's Totally Awesome Daily Shower Cleaner, which is, I really like that one, but you have to buy the clear one because the other colored ones, in my opinion, are super chemically and they kind of choke me out. So I don't use those ones. I don't like those ones, but I do like the one that I just showed in the video. I'm going to change my rug out also, so I give it a quick little sweep and put my new one down. And I do wash my rugs and interchange them. Just a little bit of sweeping motivation, sharing a little bit more of the bathroom. I don't know, give me some topics to talk about during these videos. I really don't know. A lot of times I'm at a loss for words. This is the end of the cleaning motivation. I hope you enjoyed it. Motivate you to get up and clean, even if it is just a few things like I shared today. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.